Good morning, everyone. I am Dr. Shweta from KGMU, Lucknow. I am here to present my free paper on topic platelets parameters and coagulation profile in primary open-angle glaucoma patients. There are various pathomechanisms related to the coagulation and the progression of the glaucomatous optic neuropathy. Most popular theory is the vasculogenic theory, which is related to the altered blood parameters and leads to the hypercoagulable state in glaucoma patients. Recent literature also suggests that there is association of the altered platelet parameter in POG patients. This is the first study which is done in the Indian population and assesses the coagulation profile along the platelet parameters. Previously, none of the study done in the coagulation profile. Aim of this study was to study the platelet parameters and coagulation profile in patients with POAG. Primary objectives are to compare all the platelet parameters among the POAG patients and controls. And secondary objectives are to study the association of these factors with the severity of the POAG patients. Study was prospective cross-sectional analytical study, which is done in the period of 1.5 years. 40 cases and 40 controls included in the study. Descriptive analysis was done for the demographic details, and student independent t-test applied to compare the platelet parameters between the cases and controls. ANOVA test used to assess all the parameters in patients on the basis of the severity. A p-value less than 0.5 would be considered statistically significant. There are inclusion and exclusion criteria for the cases. Consenting POG patient included, age 40 to 60 years are taken, cooperative for the visual field examination. Exclusion criteria included pregnant females, visually significant cataract, visual acuity less than 6/60, ocular trauma, retinal diseases, other optic nerve disorders are excluded. Intracranial lesions, hematological diseases, coronary artery diseases, cardiovascular accident, and hepatic renal diseases and patients on antiplatelet and anticoagulant therapy are excluded. And these are the exclusion and inclusion criteria for the controls. These are the results of the MAI study, and no significant difference found in the demographic details of the study subjects. All these platelet parameters we have studied and compared between the primary open-angle glaucoma group and control group, and found that the platelet count significantly decreases in the primary open-angle glaucoma patients, and mean platelet volume and platelet aggregation significantly increases in the POAG patients. In coagulation profile, we found that the fibrinogen and D-dimer significantly increases in the POAG group compared to the control groups. Then we compared platelet parameters between the mild and severe group of POAG patients, because both groups had approximately equal number of the study subjects, and found that the platelet crit and platelet count more in the severe group compared to the mild group. Then we compared the platelet parameters between the mild and severe group of the coagulation profile compared between the mild and severe group of the POAG patients, but no significant difference found in the coagulation profile in mild and severe group. Nijima et al. Found that the platelet aggregation increases in the glaucoma patient. Yima et al. Also found that the platelet activation involved in the pathomechanism of the POAG, and other authors also suggest that the hypercoagulable state found in the glaucoma patients. In our study, we found that the low platelet count, high mean platelet volume, high platelet aggregation, fibrinogen and D-dimer levels are higher, and all deranged parameters results hypercoagulable state in the primary open-angle glaucoma patients, which affect the microvascular circulation and contribute to the development of the glaucomatous optic neuropathy. Limitation of the R study are the smaller sample size, age and gender-wise analysis of the parameters could not be done. Platelet and coagulation parameters may be vary with the ethnic and racial differences in the population. Thank you.